3 things that can help you be successful or not successful when you own a vacation home. Hey guys, it's Derrick, Mnick, your Central Florida Realtor here, and I have another behind-the-scenes look for you today. I have talked to a variety of property managers throughout Central Florida, and they've taught me 3 very important things that I want to share with you today when it comes to owning a vacation home. I'm standing in front of this beautiful home in a beautiful Central Florida rental community. And as you can imagine, it's got some great curb appeal. But guess what? Property managers tell me it means nothing to people when renting a home. The front of the home, the shrubbery, the mulch, it doesn't matter to them. They're more focused on what's on the inside and what the wows are. The second thing my property managers tell me is make sure your home is photogenic. You have to have the right pictures and, more importantly, the right photographer. Now, what's great about having a resourceful agent is that we can connect you with the right folks, but you have to make sure that they are done with the right lighting, the right accents, and the right things need to be photographed. Remember, that's how people rent, based on pictures. The third thing my property managers tell me about what makes a successful rental home, it has to be the wows. Now, what's a wow? Maybe it's a garage that isn't a garage anymore. Maybe it's an arcade center. Maybe there's a theater room in the house that is just a little extra special. Maybe it's a bedroom that's themed, but it has to be the wows. And guess what? Every house has one, and you as an owner will have to find it. In this house here, well, one of the wows they have is the view. It's always fun to be behind the scenes and hear what makes these vacation homes so successful. Talking to property managers, we've learned some important things, right? Curb appeal. It only really matters in residential, not so much in the rental market. People are really concerned about what's on the inside of your home, not what they see from the curb. Pictures. Make sure you spend the extra money and take great pictures. That's what rents these homes. People are not here in person. They're on websites looking at pictures, and that's what's going to help them make that decision. The third thing is the wows. Make sure you find the wows in your home. Whether it's an arcade, a theater room, some special feature with your pool, every house has a wow. And if it doesn't, you need to create one. Now, if you have any questions about what we talked about today, you need some resources, whether it comes to photography, property management, helping to buy or sell your home, myself and my team are here to help. And as always, we look forward to seeing you next time.